Hello everyone, my name is Ben Murphy and I am the Head of Sales for Arrow in Ireland, and today I'm joined in the IBM Dublin office by Ela Feeney. Ela, would you like to say a quick hello and introduce yourself?
Hello. Thank you so much, Ben, for joining. Yes, absolutely. So I represent IBM technology team here in Ireland. And my mission is to help our business partner, our ecosystem, to grow and thrive in that always evolving technology world. We work very, very closely with our sole distributor, Arrow. So again, thank you so much for being here. And that leads me to first question, Ben. Why do you think IBM put such model in place of distribution, and what do you think Arrow is actually bringing to the table?
It's a really good question, and I think if you look at Arrow as a business, we're a lot more than a traditional distributor. We're a true value-added distributor. So we can help you with every step of the buying process, whether it comes from, scoping out a project to it comes to actually purchasing the kit and procuring the product, and even if it comes to shipping. So what do I mean by that? We've got a dedicated team internally of subject matter experts who know every inch of the software and hardware ecosystem from IBM. But we've also got very generous credit limits and flexible payment solutions through Arrow Payment Solutions. A couple of points that we're going to touch on later on as well is the AI lab that we have based in Sweden. So we'll do a deep dive in a minute. And also on our marketing team, we've got dedicated resources across all aspects of those businesses. I think the other piece is around the partner community. The partner community is forever changing. We're in a world of mergers and acquisitions at the moment. And there's also this new breed of partners, born in the cloud people and AI and the opportunities and partners that it brings there. So we're really here to help IBM navigate that journey as well. Tell me a little bit more about the partnership. What does it mean to IBM and how does it simplify your role within IBM?
Absolutely, Ben. So at IBM, our core focus is hybrid cloud and AI. Innovation and modernization are the key strategic points that we would like to pass to our ecosystem and our clients. We shifted the perception, we shifted the strategy from a mainframe, expensive and very, very complex company to the one that would help with innovation and modernization. And we would like to see Arrow playing a vital role in changing that perception as well. I know that Arrow made a massive investment with the AI Lab. We mentioned that. We also covered that part within our recent ecosystem summits, that we had a full part covering AI Lab. Can you tell me a little bit more what AI Lab in Sweden offers to our partners?
I think it's a key initiative that we've launched is the AI lab. It's based in Sweden. Essentially what it is a lab that our partners have full access to. And within this lab, partners can test use cases, they can run demos, they can bring projects to MVP state. And ultimately, we've made the investment so our partners don't have to. There's no prerequisites in terms of business size or employees. It is open to all of our partners. So it's a facility that I think we should absolutely use. That's one of our biggest talking points from an initiative. Is there any other initiatives that you
So
see?
just to add to the AI Lab, so you offer infrastructure. What else do you offer with an AI Lab?
Everything from software to having tech specialists, dedicated pre-sales team in-house to help navigate that journey. Because again, it's complex. And how
Absolutely.
many AI investments have you seen that have never made it to go to market after hundreds of thousands, if not millions, have been invested previously?
So absolutely, we hear so often from our partners and end users that they would like to get into AI, but they don't really know where to start. So that can be a starting point, right?
100%. I think it's a really good topic because again, everyone knows they should do AI, but the use cases and how they leverage that into the business has been a real challenge for all vendors and partners alike. And you're seeing this scenario where you've got CFOs within organizations telling their IT team that you need to invest in AI, but they don't know what it is that they need to
Yeah,
invest in.
yeah.
So I think AI Lab will help that scenario and it will allow partners to utilize that service without making the significant upfront investments.
Fantastic. AI Lab supports not only AI though. So they support different technology. As you know, IBM technology has embedded AI in multiple software offerings. Arrow supports us with AI Lab, but also with technical knowledge in general. us, but also our business partners. You have a dedicated technical person that can support our ecosystem with demos, with access to tech zone, and learning about proficiencies. So you have access to all IBM reports showing lack of proficiencies or where that business partner should upskill themselves to make sure that they are up to date with the technology knowledge.
So Ella, we spoke earlier on about co-marketing funding that's available to IBM partners. Can you tell me a little bit about that from an IBM perspective, and how do partners access those funds?
Yes, absolutely, Ben. IBM offers marketing funds to our business partners through our distributor. So we give marketing funds to Arrow that spends on the ecosystem, helping partners basically with their marketing strategy, with business development activities, with events. So this is available to all our partners in Ireland. Additionally, Arrow has a dedicated resource to help organize this, but also to create the marketing strategy when it's required.
Yeah, it's a really good point. And to touch off a little bit more about what you said there, so we do have dedicated marketing resource in Ireland that's at our partners' disposal if it's a function that they don't necessarily have within their business. And what can we do with that funding? And we can help everybody from demand generation. So if they're looking at net new acquisition from a logo perspective, or net new businesses that partners would like to work with, we can help using third-party lead generation agencies. We can also help with events and event planning. So again, if it's something that you are looking to drive attendance to an event that's already in the pipeline, or actually define a brand new event about something that one of our partners would like to bring to market, we can help with all aspects of that too.
Fantastic, Ben. And just to wrap up, if we have a partner that would like to start working with IBM, what should they do?
Absolutely. We've got a dedicated team of subject matter experts in-house that can help you navigate both the IBM portfolio, but also IBM as a business and how to progress through the partner system. Please feel free to reach out to anybody within our team, whether it's a dedicated sales team or somebody on the specific IBM team. We'll always be here to help you. Ella, thanks a million. I thought that was a great discussion. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day. For any of the partners that are watching, if you'd like to find out more or you'd like somebody to speak to, please feel free to reach out to me or one of the dedicated IBM team within Arrow.